Hey, welcome back, my fellows ILUS investors. It's me, E.T. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who likes to think of ways to increase one's net worth. And with this company, ILUS, I think we have a winner. I think we got a winner here. Now, not much has happened in the way of news when it comes to ILUS over the course of the last 2 weeks. However, on the 28th of October, which was yesterday, they released a YouTube video. ILUS, check out their videos there. I'll have a link to the video in the description below. But check it out. It was a 59-minute long video. It was Q&A. And they had the interviewer and John Paul Backwell, who is the managing director of ILUS. And they talked about a lot of things that we already know. Now, today, the 29th of October, John Paul followed that up with an additional video. It's about 18 minutes long, and really he just highlighted the and gave a summary of that question and answer video. This video, like I said, is about 18 minutes long. I don't want to get into it because it really doesn't provide any new information. They just confirmed a lot of things that we already know about the company, what their goals are, their plans are, what they've already acquired, what they're going after, without giving us very specific detail, but that's okay. So what I've done is this here. I want you guys to take a look at this one clip of John Blackwell talking about the acquisition strategy. And I think what that does is really just summarize the overall strategic plan and vision that they have for this company, both long-term and short-term. And then after that, we'll take a real quick look at the price movement of ILUS, and I'll just go over my position. I picked up some more shares over the course of the last 2 weeks. So let's take a look at this quick video clip.
And I guess that brings me to our acquisition strategy. I just wanted to give you an idea of the phase we are moving into and focusing on as a company leading up to our NASDAQ uplist. Although the strategy, it's important to say, will continue to be played out well beyond that. Firstly, and just to repeat this because it is really important, we are always focused on acquiring the highest possible quality assets into ILUS as we lead up to NASDAQ. As I said in the Q&A, our goal is to become a conglomerate. So I have on this second screen up here a definition, the business definition of conglomerates. A conglomerate is a multi-industry company, i.e. a combination of multiple businesses or entities operating in various industries under one corporate group, usually involving a parent company and many subsidiaries. Conglomerates are often large and multinational. So that explains it and should give you an idea of what we're doing as a company. So to make this conglomeration a reality, we're aiming to acquire multiple firefighting equipment companies like Firebug and then other associated and complementary manufacturers and distributors. We're also aiming to acquire multiple fixed firefighting system companies like we've done with BCD Fire. And then beyond this, multiple renewable and sustainable energy companies to build on what we're already doing with our existing E-Raptor electric vehicles. And so we've got a whole vision about forming that as part of our group as well.
So it's very clear that this company has aspirations of being a conglomerate, which means it's going to be a multi-billion-dollar company. And we know that the short-term goal is to uplist to the NASDAQ. Here's a company profile that for those of you that are interested. If you're interested in that, also it's linked in the description below. These are the 5 subsidiary companies that they've already acquired. And this here is just a notification to all the shareholders that the annual shareholders meeting is on 28th of January 2022 in Las Vegas. The 2 shareholder meetups taking place next month, in the month of November, 17th and the 19th of November. On the 17th, it's in New York City. On the 19th, it's in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this here are the last 2 acquisitions, Bullhead and Precision Powered Products. This here is the current, this is probably 5 minutes prior to close, the current price of ILUS. And as you can see, the 5-day trend, it's an uptrend. You know, slightly uptrend, but it's an uptrend. This here is a 1 month trend. And as you can see, it's still on a, almost looks flat, but it is on an incline. And this here is probably the most important one, is a 1 year price trend for ILUS. As you can see, that's what it's really about. Looks like it's making that base at about 35. Once we break through 40, that should be the new base. And last but not least, this here's my current position. As you can see, over the course of last week, actually the last 2 weeks, I acquired 3,750 new shares. Total now is 12,000 shares, and price basis is 31 cents a share. All right, so there you have it. You see that I'm increasing my my position in the company, mainly because my convictions are growing stronger and stronger every day. At 36, don't sweat the 36 cents. The price is what we pay. The value is what we get. And I think that a year from now, if we look back, paying 36 cents a share, we're going to all wish, and a lot of people are going to wish they got in at 36 cents. With that being said, guys, I will see you on the next video. You guys take care. Bye-bye.